Howdy, peeps and peepettes. So, I decided I wanted to actually finally, like a month ago, y'all saw that I got in all that stuff to do diamond painting. Well, a lot of things happened, and I didn't get around to it. So, I decided tonight was the night, but I had to get it started. So, I'm a huge fan of piggies. I mean, like, massively huge. Forget all the movement. Ah, there we go. So you can see a little bit better. Okay. So, when I saw this, I fell in love. I mean, look at that. Tell me you can't fall in love with that piggy. Come on. Well, a friend of mine got me, started talking about diamond painting and showed me some of the stuff she did. And me being who I am, went on Amazon, checked it all out, and was like, oh, wow. And the second I saw this pig, I was done for. Really, honestly, I was done for. I was like, nope. So, she told me the different things I should get, which one of the things is the slide board, which, as you see, will make it easier to see the numbers. It's got 3 different glares, 3 different lighting, so, you know, depending on how high you need it, because some people's eyesight's not as bad as others. Mine is terrible. Of course, I went a little happy, bought quite a few different things. So, before I got started, you see, I already put in, you know, all the diamonds into the little containers. On the bottom, they say number, that will correspond with here. Like, for instance, number 3, these bigger gems, those will go, like, right there. So, then we have, of course, you need, you need, trays. I should get some more out. I like these trays with the longer nose here over trays like this that have no nose because spillage. So I mean, yeah, these are nice size and all, but they you know, how do you keep it from spilling? These are pretty nice size. I don't think I'll need that much right now. So how about we just start with these 3, okay? We'll start with those 3. Put these all back in here. Of course, you got baggies if you don't have these kind of containers. But I do suggest getting those kind of containers because it'll be easier to organize. Then you have different tools, which I will pull that out in just 1 second. Now, when I got this, the different kits, some of the tools I'm not quite sure. I have to look up. I'm guessing this, you know, sponge, of course, more containers. This is really good to probably, like, with this one you see how there's a lot of circling around, so this would not help, but that would be a good tool for most. I'm guessing this to press down the pieces. And course, I just threw the stuff in. I was trying to move things out of my way earlier. Oh, just for the record, there is my bag that I have all of this stuff in. Told you, I am a complete pig fanatic. So these, I'm guessing you can move around. So I'm going to keep that out just in case. I don't think I'll need those right now. So, this here is glue that you will be putting on the tips of here. Now, as you see, I have a lot. You have straighteners. These here are, now this one is a straight, it's kind of like this white thing here by the looks of it, because it's got a flat tip. Doesn't have anywhere to, so these two I'm going to suspect are about the same. And then you have your tweezers, which are like these black ones. Then you have all these different ones. Because of the way this is shaped, I will not be able to do these multi-head ones. But, as you see, different sizes. So, this will be fun. Alright, so let's start with, now, as you see, we have, I don't know if I'll be able to do this. Let's see. Put this here. And put that there. Put that over there. I talk to myself a lot, by the way. So what color? We want to start with, let's turn this on. Now, I have bad eyesight, and as you can clearly see, these numbers are small, especially that number 1. So, we got my handy dandy magnifying glass. So, what you want to do is pull the plastic down a little bit. Now, obviously the plastic is not going to stay put, which is going to, mess with you repeatedly. So, here's what we're going to do. Let's just take a little piece of tape. Right here. And like that. There we go. See? This way you have the very little, I'm brand new at this, so I don't want to pull off too much, obviously. Now, we're going to start with number 1. It's here. I know it's here. Here it is. As you see, little. So, you don't want to put too many on here. You kind of have to judge, basically, for yourself. But you want to, clip it around, get everything. Ooh, there we go. See? Because you want you don't want them upside down. Now, you're going to take this and you're going to put in That didn't work. Oh, it must have. You see? Got a hole. Yep. Then you will pick. Yep, definitely worked. And you will pick it up. See? And then, now again, I'm brand new at this, so forgive me if I go a little slower. Probably will speed this up a little. I'm going to grab all these ones that fell off. There we go. I think holding it works. Yeah, that works. Hey! There we go. So, basically you want to get on the, well, you want to get on the actual number spot as, whoops, don't want to. See? Good start, right? I know, go ahead, laugh at me. There we go. Had that hanging by a thread. And this shininess has begun. So, I will be back in a little bit with some progress as I go along. So, and pause it longer. What I'm going to do is have a couple of these, because as you saw with the pinks, there's a couple of different sizes. So what I've done is I've taken a second one with the number 2 on it. But as you see, they didn't play as nice. So a lot of them went upside down. It's like, ah, come on. It's like, can't you just turn? Come on. Give it to me. Burger of all things. So, this way, by doing this, what I can do is take the number 2, and as I'm passing by, I can put the number 2 in its spot when I'm going down the line. See? So, I will be back. Now, as you see, I am almost done with the top row. I went ahead and snuck out 2 number 3s. Since they were part of the top row. I didn't want to have to come back later. We had a straggler there. We have a few stragglers. yeah, if you look, the top row's done. Of course, there's tons and tons of more rows. But as you can see, it's really not that hard. It's kind of time consuming, yes. If you have a bad back, you might have a little bit of a problem because you're doing a lot of bending over unless you find a good way to do it. That's why I got this, so I could have it kind of sitting up. So I wouldn't have to lean over as much. And there we go. So that is the beginning. I will, of course, when I'm done, post a new video showing the final project. But I wanted to, you know, get started here. I can't wait to see this piggy. Oh my god. Me and my piggies. So, if you have any questions or anything, just leave, leave me a comment and I'll be happy to get to it as quickly as I can. Also, please subscribe down below. Like I said, I have a lot of things that I'm going to be focusing on when it comes to these videos. I do, you know, between hobbies and virtual worlds and, you know, just overall, just anything my brain thinks of. Because I just enjoy doing things. You know? So, looks like it's almost time to put in a little bit more of that stuff. I guess when it stops picking up. Like I said, it's a little whoops. So, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think. And